Tired of dash cams that miss details? Check out this 4K plus 4K front and rear dash cam, packed with features to keep you fully covered on the road. This dash cam records both front and rear in 4K resolution, includes a free 128GB card, and supports up to 512GB storage. It also has 5.8GHz Wi-Fi, built-in GPS, G-sensor, a 3-inch IPS Touch Screen, and 24-hour parking mode. 4K front and rear recording. Capture every detail, including license plates and road signs, with crystal clear clarity. Built-in GPS and G-sensor. Automatically logs location and speed while locking files during sudden impacts. 5.8GHz Wi-Fi and app support. Easily connect your phone to view, download, and share footage instantly. 3-inch IPS touchscreen. Simple, responsive touchscreen for adjusting settings and reviewing recordings. 24H parking mode. Monitors your parked car and records any movement or impacts automatically. Ultra-clear 4K dual recording front and rear. Free 128GB card included. Expandable to 512GB. 24-hour parking mode for complete protection. Larger size may block some rearview mirrors. 5.8GHz Wi-Fi range can be limited in some cars. If you want high-resolution, feature-rich protection for your vehicle, this 4K plus 4K dash cam has you covered day and night. Stay safe and capture every moment on the road. Click the link below to check the latest price and get your 4K plus 4K front and rear dash cam today.